Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW 5 Series. It's a 2015. Now, the most important thing is, if you've got it in this configuration, which is the split screen, you've got the other screen at the side here. I'm going to show you what happens. So if you go to telephone, click telephone, that's top right. Bluetooth menu, click Bluetooth menu. And then you've got Barry's phone there. However, there is nothing there to make you think that you'll be able to delete it. If you click over to the right there, it just selects this menu. But if you click on the menu on the right hand side, you see the split screen, there's a tick there. So we need to knock that split screen off. Now, if I go to Barry's iPhone and then click right towards me, where the nav was before, and now I've got rid of the split screen, you've got here configure device and remove device. So you go down to remove device, click remove device. That's it gone.